Hey, what's up everybody? This is Royce from Pedal Mel. Welcome to my channel. Tonight's video is going to be flocking the 917 seats. These are 1/8 scale, but you could do the same technique with pretty much anything you want to flock, maybe even inside of a box, which maybe I'll find something here I could add. This jar slash shaker is from the Dollar Tree store or something like that. I think I picked it up for literally $1.25. It's working perfect though. The flocking material I had bought years and years ago off Amazon or eBay maybe. I'll show you how I do my seats. I did a test on the back of this seat and it turned out awesome. They will get the faux fiberglass backings to the seats later on, but let's get started. I'm just using like an Elmer's type glue, like a white glue that'll dry clear. I do like to put a little bit of water in with it. And we just cover everything that you want to have the flocking material attached to. The material does get wrapped around the edges here, so we're gonna have to make sure we have some glue on the edges there. You want to have enough that the material sticks to it, and it does not have to be perfect. Pretty much you won't overdo it, I should say, because once the powder hits the glue and whatnot, it just sticks wherever. So we'll just do the one seat first. It's as simple as that. Like I said, you don't have to feel like you're overdoing it, because the excess will just fall off then. And obviously it's only going to stick to where you have glue. But my old cheese shaker thing is awesome for this. And we will let that dry. Looks like I didn't have enough glue here on that one corner, but that's okay. We'll let that one dry and move on to this one. I wish there was a way to get a little bit better grip on the back side here, though. It's kind of awkward to hold this one. The passenger seat is was a little easier to hold. This is kind of fun to do. Like I said, you can do it to little wooden boxes or whatever else. Maybe if you make your own little gun case or display case that you want to do like a nice green felt looking bottom to it or whatever, you can do whatever color that you want. you can collect all the rest later and try to recover whatever drops below. I just have a Rubbermaid type of container lid laying here. A little messy, but like I said, you don't have to worry about overdoing it because it's only going to stick one time. The nice thing having the red paint already on underneath there is nice. You don't have to worry if you do miss a little patch. I almost dropped it there. Whew. That was close. I almost slipped out of my fingers. But I think that looks good, and I'm going to let that dry, and then we'll shake off all the excess and show you the end results. All right, I'm back, and this is nearly dry. Maybe about 40 minutes later, and they're looking pretty awesome. I just took my own breath. I didn't use any compressed air or anything, just kind of blew over to get any excess material off. Pretty happy with them. So it's that simple, and it gives the mouse hair material look. So it's almost like an Alcantara looking now, but it definitely gives a more 3D realistic look to your seats or whatever project you have in mind that you want to flock. So it looks good. I dug out, I know I'd mentioned in another earlier video at one point, I wanted to show the dashboard that came with this kit. My kit is an IXO if you're not following along with the series. I'm not sure how the Pocker one is, but they definitely sprayed something on there because there's a rub mark here in the corner. And I was going to use something like this. I have faux fabric, but this looks basically what was applied to this. So it looks really good. It gives that mouse hair look for the anti-glare material. And I don't think I need to do anything with the dashboard. So that's that. I wanted to show that. And I had used this for my Tamiya 935 seat in the past, which I need to finish that kit. If anyone's interested, maybe I'll do a build series of that kit. And this turned out awesome. This faux fabric stuff, which I don't even know if you can still get anymore because that company's going out of business currently. But really, really good stuff. But there, anyway, I thought you guys would like that. Showing you how to do a quickie flocking procedure. Very easy, very fun. Not really many chemicals to deal with or anything like that. And pretty cool. Hopefully you like that. If you like that type of video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up so I know you guys like this type of content. And if you're not a subscriber, please consider it's free. You can't beat free. And hit the bell for notifications. And until next time, I will see you guys later. That was a long one. All right. Talk to you guys soon. Good night now.